Yo, what is going on, guys? I know it's been a while since we've made a video, but I was kind of in the mood to make one. So today what I'm doing is winterizing the Altezza. So I'm on my way right now to pick up some winter wheels and winter tires. I might take the front lip off and make this car look really ugly, unfortunately, just so it's good for winter. I was gonna fully send it with the Advan wheels and just get winter tires for them. But I don't know, just to be extra safe, I don't want to scratch them up or anything. And we out here at Faux, of course. So I've got these stock S14 wheels with pretty good winters here. So I'm gonna be throwing those on and seeing the sad looking end result. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you live in Canada. Ew! Ew! This makes me sad, but oh well, doesn't look too bad. Yeah, like I said, these are Nissan wheels, so Nissan's out here saving the day so I can drive. Low key / high key. Pretty sad. But whatever.
Yo, can you blow up your cars in this though? No. Because that's the only way I could get it this game.
Alright, so I'm just chilling in the Altezza, and I kind of had the idea to fabric paint my roof liner black and like paint these B and C pillar pieces black as well, and possibly the visors as well, and these plastic pieces. So pretty much just like blacking out the interior. I might go ahead and do that. Just randomly had the idea to do it. We out here at SEMA. That window. Devin's out here. He's gonna help me rice out my car. We're gonna do some rice things.
Rice things.
AKA spray paint my interior. This is a microphone, by the way. But yeah, so I got just regular matte flat black paint for like the B and C pillar, which is plastic, and then the A pillar and roof liner is fabric, obviously. So I just got this matte black fabric vinyl paint, and we're gonna be taking all this apart and giving her a nice coat. It's pretty simple to do this. You just use the pry tool on all the parts like this and the pillars, and then they're all pretty much just held in with clips, and then obviously unscrew wherever you see screws, and yeah, should be pretty straightforward. A, B, C pillars are off. Roof liner is ready to come out. Got all the trim right here. What'd it do? Sky though. Super happy with how all the trim here turned out. As you can see, pretty nice. Yo, look at this interior though. God damn! Yo, this switched up the vibe of the car 100%.
Oh, dude.
These don't really turn out black on camera, but they are.
Yeah, they look kind of gray when the light hits them, but they're definitely black.
Yeah.
I think it
That's
looks
better.
sick, though, honestly.
It looks sick. I love it.
That's really good.
Hey, so like I was saying, this black interior really like switches the vibe of the car. And for some reason, on camera, this doesn't look black in certain light, but it's a nice matte black. And yeah, it looks really good. What are you doing? Charles is selling his fenders. Damn. Yo, say what you just said to the video.
It's the end of an era.
Yeah, that's the first wide
Very
body.
first wide body Skyline video we did was installing these.
Yeah, very component right there. And it's gone.
They gone.
Working on the VG. Trying to take the pan off.
These things get stuck on there for like after 25, 30
Yeah.
years.
So basically, we can't take the pan off with the way it's attached to the stand, so we got to adjust where these are attached so the pan can come off. We're gonna be going to Mexico and doing some skids for fun. Ready to have fun? Quick little skid sesh. That was really fun. Kind of hard because it was like patchy. There was like little patches of dry pavement and a bunch of rocks, and only some of it was snowy, but it was fun. Skidding is fun. By the way, thank you to everyone who supported the Cold City jackets and continue to support us. TheLocalsMovement.com if you want to pick up a Cold City jacket or any Locals hoodies. All right, we're just at Home Depot getting cleaning supplies for the shop.
that's all for this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. Peace.
All day, every day.